it's Annie, your 310 Health and Beauty Advisor, and I am so excited to share with you all of the reasons why people love 310 Shake.
310 is awesome.
310 has been a lifesaver for me.
It's all about replacing bad eating habits with good habits so that you look and feel your best.
The way I feel now that I've lost 123 pounds, it's amazing.
It'll help satisfy your cravings for your favorite sweet treats in the healthiest way possible.
It's become a super healthy habit for me.
310 Shake has 15 grams of plant-based protein, 5 grams of fiber, loaded with probiotics, vitamins and minerals, and has a greens blend that has superfoods like maca powder and spirulina.
I love it. I do.
And the best part is, it has no sugar, no soy, no gluten, and no dairy.
Oh, I don't care about all that. I care about if it tastes good, and it tastes amazing.
Yes, it does.
It tastes like heaven in a shake.
My favorite way to enjoy any of these flavors is to blend with a half a frozen banana and a cup of almond milk.
I mixed frozen banana with it tonight. It was delicious.
If you have any trouble getting any of your leafy greens in, you can also throw in a handful of spinach or crunchy kale, so you get all the nutritional benefits of a salad, but it still tastes delicious like dessert.
My favorite 310 Shake flavor is vanilla.
Chocolate.
Mocha and vanilla chai.
I love the new chocolate mint. I haven't found one that I don't like.
There are hundreds of recipes to try.
It's been amazing. I love all of them so far. Can't wait to try more flavors and more products soon.
And it works.
Yes, it does.
We are walking example, living proof of it.
I didn't ever dream that at 50, I would weigh what I weighed in my 20s. That feels pretty dang good.
But the best part is, you're not alone on this journey. Countless people have transformed their lives with 310 Nutrition. People around the world are losing weight, keeping it off, and feeling better than they have in years. We have a huge 310 Facebook community full of people willing to help you every step of the way.
It's a sisterhood, it's a brotherhood, it's a family.
Their photos and stories will inspire you, so come join us online for recipes, tips, motivation, and more.
The 310 community, that's like my favorite place.
I'll be there to answer any questions that you have, so join us over in the 310 Facebook community. Now that you've seen some of the amazing things about 310 Shake, if you're ready to get started on your own transformation and start seeing results, make sure to check us out today.